Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you step by step how you can easily link Confluence with Jira. This integration helps you keep your project documentation and tasks perfectly in sync, so let's jump right into it. First, open your Jira dashboard. Once you're in, click on the Settings icon located at the top left corner of the screen. From the menu, select Jira Apps. This section allows you to manage and connect different Atlassian products. Next, under the Integration section, choose Application Links. This is where you can create and manage connections between Jira and other tools like Confluence. Click on Create Link to start setting up the connection. When prompted, select Direct Application Link as the link type. Now, enter your Confluence site URL. Make sure you type it correctly to avoid connection issues. After that, click Next and follow the on-screen instructions to confirm your connection details. During the setup, you'll be asked to assign a name to your application. Once that's done, select Confluence as the application type. This ensures Jira configures the correct communication settings for syncing pages, tasks, and project data. Finally, click Continue to complete the setup. Within a few seconds, your Jira and Confluence accounts will be successfully linked. You'll now be able to access Confluence pages directly from Jira issues and vice versa, making collaboration smoother and more efficient. And that's it! You've now learned how to connect Confluence with Jira quickly and easily. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.